Hello, my dear students. Hope you are in good health and enjoying. Till now, we have done with poem. So, in this video, we will go ahead with literary devices, rhyming scheme, and with the questionnaire given at back of the poem. As already discussed in first video lecture, literary device is a technique a writer uses to produce a special effect in their writing. So under this, first one is alliteration. Alliteration, which means two or more words in a row or line starting with the same sound or letter. Let us see where is the alliteration shown in the poem. First one is in second stanza, third line. See here, at last, wanted where. Here, wanted and where starts with same letter W. There is one more alliteration in this poem that you have to find yourself. Come to the next literary device, that is visual imagery. As we know, visual imagery is when in our mind any scene is set after reading the words and we can visualize it, like the setting of the poem or scene in the poem can be visualized. Let's see in the first stanza, two roads is given, which gives us an image of roads separated from each other, and another one is yellow wood. We visualize it in our mind about the forest with yellow leaves. Same way you have to find more visual imagery in the poem yourself. We will proceed to the next, that is metaphor. Metaphor means when one quality of two things is compared. This poem has extended metaphor, means same metaphor is throughout the poem. For example, in the first stanza itself, road is compared with opinions or choices in life. Same way as two roads were there for poet to choose from, we also get options to choose from. Last one is Anaphora, which means when consecutive sentences begin with the same word. This can be seen in first stanza only. Now you can see, look at it carefully. Second, third and fourth line of the first stanza start with the same word, that is and. So and is anaphora in this poem. So further we will discuss about the rhyming scheme of the poem. As you can see here that last word of the line, first, third and fourth, last words are rhyming with each other, like would, stood and could. Same way, and we will be donating them with the alphabet A. Same way in second line and in the last line, fifth line, both and undergrowth, they rhyme the same. We will donate it with B. So what will be our rhyming scheme? A for the first line, B for the second line, A again for the third line, then for fourth line it is again A, and fifth line will be written as B. Further questionnaire is given at end of the poem that is on page number 16, will be discussed. So here first question goes as, where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? The traveler finds himself at a point where two roads diverge or two roads get separated. His problem is to decide on which road he should walk on. So next question is, a yellow wood means, here discuss what these phrases mean to you. A yellow wood means a forest in the autumn season. Second one is, it was grassy and wanted wear, means the road was grassy because it was a less traveled road. It wanted people to move on it. Third one is the passing there. It implies walking on the road. Fourth is leaves no step had trodden black. It means the leaves had not been crushed under the feet of travelers. Fifth one is how way leads on to way, how one road leads to another. Our next question is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them? In stanzas 2 and 3, there is no difference between the two roads in stanzas 2 and 3. In the last two lines of the poem, the poet tells that the road is opted for is less traveled. So we'll proceed with the next question. What do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? The poet expresses his opinion that it becomes difficult for a normal human being to change his or her decision. The poet intends to walk on the first road, but he could not do so because life does not offer multiple chances to choose. The decision taken may mar one's future or lead one to success. It makes all the differences. He now repents for not getting a chance to travel on the first road. Next two long questions you have to write yourself as an assignment in your notebook. Same sequence will be followed to write notes for this poem as well. First will be mind map, second glossary, third literary or poetic devices, rhyming scheme, and then question answers will be done. Thank you and have a great day.